Yeah, I'm gonna send you a little video. Yeah, there it is. That's the source of fish, you know. Turn him on the back. Yeah, got him. Take out everything in the inside. Yeah. Sour sop fish. Him that. What? If you see him, yeah, them big. He has big eyes. Big eyes. Yeah. Get that. Get that. Alright, babe. I'm gonna send you it right now. Yeah, babe, I'm taking it really easy. I'm almost finished. I'm going to put this fish to boil. And then I'm going to take the spikes out of him.